Well, the new space is being retrofitted. Getting way more space, and you will be receiving a notice very shortly that we are moving. The new address will be released shortly as well. We're pressed for space. As you can see, there's a lot of shelf space to hold your items. We get them shipped off to Jamaica. Yep. And a decent amount of workspace in there. So you'll be getting texts, you'll be getting multiple emails, you'll be getting a WhatsApp message with a new address. And when the new address cuts over, for all you guys that ship stuff from China that's going to take a while to get here, for all you guys that ship stuff from China that's going to take a while to get here, we'll be able to still collect a few over at the old address, but we'll give you a date. And if you're still shopping and selling stuff from Amazon and those places after that date, then, you know, the liability will be on you, because we're going to go over and beyond to ensure that you receive notice that we're moving and that we're going to have a new address.